Welcome, fellow woodworking enthusiasts. This is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. In this video, we're diving into the art of crafting a stunning wooden vase, just in time for the festive season. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this DIY project is perfect for unleashing your creativity. This project is designed to challenge and elevate your craftsmanship, making you a more skilled artisan. In the description below, you'll find a download link for our comprehensive DIY plan. It includes a printable PDF pattern for scroll saw cutting and a DXF file for CNC or laser cutting. This is how you assemble the vase. This vase design contains 75 parts. Stacking and gluing together will create a complete vase. You can also create a bowl gluing only 10 parts. Handmade gifts are special because they reflect the time, effort, and thought put into creating something unique. A wooden vase crafted by hand adds a personal touch that can be appreciated by the recipient. When you make a wooden vase, you have the freedom to choose the type of wood, the design, and the finish. This allows you to tailor the gift to the recipient's taste and the decor of their home. Unlike mass-produced items, a handmade wooden vase is one of a kind. It stands out as a unique piece of art that can become a focal point in the recipient's home.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.